Welcome back guys. Today we will see how to create a resume on Canva. So first of all you have to log in on Canva. Still you didn't register on Canva. You have to register first and log in with your credentials. Once you will log in it, then interface will come something like this on resume on Canva. So here it is, see in right side there is create or design option. You have to click on that and search resume. Okay, and click on that. After that, here as you can see there are a lot of template for resume. You can select according to your choice. I'm going to select this one for demo purpose. Okay, and there is option for profile. If you want to change profile, how you can change it? Here as you can see in left side there is upload options, and once you will click on upload, there is upload file. You have to click on that and you can upload your images. Once you will upload your image, then that image will appear here. You can see here I have already uploaded one resume, one profile pic, and I'm going to click onto that, and you can adjust here in that profile. Okay, and next it is name. Here you can mention your first name, last name, and what you are doing. So everything you can edit here. So just I'm going to show some demo. There is contact me. You can write here your mobile number and your Gmail address and website. If you have any website, you can mention over here. Addresses. There is education details. You can mention your education details and the skills. Whatever skills you have, you can mention over here. Now here it is work experience. If you have work experience, then you can mention your work experience. If you don't have work experience, what you have, like you have any project, you have internship experience, you can mention about your profile details, about your resume details. Whatever you have achievement, you can mention over here. So this is way how to edit resume on Canva, how to build good resume on Canva. So if you have any queries related to this video, you can comment in comment box. I will reply for that. So I hope friend this video is helpful for you. We will meet in next video. Thank you for watching this video.